Welcome to our video about Holi, the Festival of Colors. Holi is one of the most popular festivals in India, celebrated by people of all ages and backgrounds. It's a time to forget all differences and come together to celebrate love, joy, and happiness. So, let's dive in and explore what this festival is all about. The main highlight of Holi is playing with colors. People smear each other with colored powders and water, sing and dance to traditional music, and enjoy festive food and drinks. The atmosphere is electric, and everyone is in high spirits. Holi is also known as the Festival of Love, because it celebrates the love between Lord Krishna and his devotee Radha. Legend has it that Lord Krishna used to play Holi with Radha and her friends, and this tradition has been passed down through generations. A family gathered around a bonfire. On the night before Holi, people light bonfires to symbolize the victory of good over evil. This is known as Holika Dayan. People gather around the fire, sing hymns, and offer prayers. It's a time to reflect on the importance of goodness and righteousness in our lives. Holi is celebrated in different ways across India. In some parts of the country, people use flowers instead of colored powders. In others, they celebrate with water guns and water balloons. But no matter how it's celebrated, Holi is a time to come together, forget differences, and celebrate the joy of life. We hope you enjoyed this video about Holi. If you're planning to celebrate Holi this year, we wish you a happy and colorful festival. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about Indian culture and traditions. See you in the next video.